I'm gonna show you how to create a Netlify account. So to get started, you have to open the browser or the link right here into netlify.com, and then once you're there, just have to click on login if you have already an account, or since we're going to sign up, you just have to click this one. And then from there, you have the options to sign in using GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or sign up with email. So I'm going to use sign up with email. And then from there, you just have to input your email, and then after that, you just have to input your password. And then after you're done inputting your email and password, just have to click on sign up. And then after that, you will receive an email from Netlify. So you have to open your Gmail account or whatever email that you have been popped on. So from there, you can see that the Netlify in here, and just have to click on verify email, and then once again you will be redirected. Next step, so all you have to do is to input all necessary details and informations about you, and then once you're done with that, you have now created an account in Netlify. So that's how to create a Netlify account.